Alrighty, welcome to a Taylor Woolston technology video here. Yeah, this is going to be a bit of a different video than usual. I'm going to be attempting to install Windows 2000 onto a Dell Inspiron 6400 laptop, which, as you can clearly see here, has a CRT attached to it and a couple of speakers, as well as a keyboard. Not exactly a error-appropriate keyboard, but it gets the job done. Anyways, yeah, here's our Windows 2000 disk here. So legit. But yeah, we're going to be installing it off of this. I burned this earlier. So anyways, let's just get this going here. So I will turn the computer on here, quickly open up the disk drive. Try to anyways. Oh yeah, and I'll turn the CRT on. Put the disk in, put it in the drive. I'll hit F12 real quick here so we can get the one-time boot menu, just to make sure it knows to boot off the optical drive. And we will boot from CD. It's actually a DVD, but who's counting? And here we are into the glorious Windows 2000 setup. And sorry if there's a lot of flicker, but you know, CRTs, right? And I'm not gonna lie, this video is a bit inspired by Michael MJD, if you know that channel. This video is a bit inspired by that channel, so you know, but anyways, we'll let the first part of the setup here do its thing, and we'll come back when there's user input. Alrighty, so here we are, the Windows 2000 professional setup. This portion of the setup program prepares Microsoft rights reserved Windows 2000 trademark to run on your computer. Set up Windows 2000 now, press enter, which is exactly what we're going to do. We will press F8 to get through the EULA here. And then, yeah, this drive has a bunch of stuff on it. I've been sort of messing around with it before. But what we're going to do here is just go ahead and delete all of these. So, yeah, we'll just delete this. Okay, so we have two unpartitioned spaces. I don't know why, but I guess we'll just go with this one. We'll create a partition. Yeah, we'll just do that. So we'll go here, format using NTFS, and here we go. Now this might take a little while, but we'll speed the video up for you here. Alrighty, so that didn't take too long to format the drive, all things considered, so examining the disks, and now we are copying files. And so far so good, so we'll speed this up as well. Alrighty, so we made it through that part of setup, and now the computer will reboot in 10 seconds. Well, it's going to restart right now, because we're going to hit enter to restart. Get through the BIOS here. Waiting. Probably, yeah, I was gonna say, it's probably reading the disk in the drive to bring up this, but anyways, here we are starting Windows. Of course, it'll be just going into setup and not actual Windows, but you know, there's the glorious Windows 2000 professional boot screen. And yeah, this should lead us into the graphical portion of the setup. Once it eventually loads up here. And there we are. Is the mouse working? Good. That's kind of important. I mean, we could get through with just a keyboard, but please wait. Yep, I am doing that. Don't have much of a choice. Just notice that the please wait window there has become the inactive window, and there we are. Here we are. Welcome to the Windows 2000 Setup Wizard. And it's going to go ahead and detect and install devices on the computer. I didn't even click anything. Alrighty, here we are in the graphical setup where we can actually start doing stuff now. So we'll just leave this as is and hit next. I'll just type out my name here, and we will put in our product key. Alrighty, so we'll just name this Win Upgrade. We will not set an administrator password. I'll just set this to Central Time really quickly, not that it really matters. And now installing Windows 2000 components. Alrighty, you have successfully completed Windows 2000 setup. If there is a CD in your drive, remove it. Then to restart your computer, click Finish. Yeah, I'll go ahead and remove it here. I don't need to, but it'll speed up the boot process a little bit because I won't be reading the disk. So, and we will hit Finish or hit Enter, and give it a second here, and it should restart the computer. And we should boot into Windows 2000. Here we are, starting Windows. There's the glorious Windows 2000 Professional boot screen again. And welcome to Network Identification Wizard. We'll just hit Next here. Yep, we'll just assume that I'm always logged in, and no password. Finish. And here we are. Windows 2000. Beautiful. We don't need to show the screen at startup. And yeah, we're in like, I think 16 color mode because we don't have any drivers. Let me see, settings. Yep, 16 colors, 640 by 480. We can go up to 800 by 600. Still at 16 colors. This is not 800 by 600. Yeah. I do have some drivers that I should be able to install in here. I'll do that. We'll do that in a second, see if we can install some drivers here. Alright, so I've gone ahead and installed a bunch of drivers for this computer, and now all I need to do is restart and see what happens. I already know sound is working because we were getting that earlier, but I guess we're not going to get the log off sound, but I know sound was working because I was getting like those dong sounds, you know, if you know what I'm talking about. So, sound, hopefully we'll get the log on sound when we get on here. Here we are for the third time, the Windows 2000 Professional built on NT technology boot screen. We're almost there, okay. Of course, no password, so it should just go right on in. Look at that. That is so much better. Got sound, we got graphics now. I don't know if this is really gonna work, but not that I need the modem anyways, but I mean, it's, you know, whatever. I don't need the modem anyways. So let's see, where were we at here? So yeah, true color 32-bit, excellent. We'll go to 1024 by 768. And yes, we will keep those settings. Look at that. Beautiful. I don't know how well you guys can see it. Probably not super well. But anyways, I'll go ahead and, just like a MJD video, because again, this is sort of inspired by it, we'll just create a bunch of things here. New folder, sure. Bitmap image, yeah, whatever. Just put it there. A new briefcase. Or not. Let's try that again. New briefcase. Oh, wait, it's right here. I didn't see that. Well, I guess we'll have two briefcases. Sure, why not? WordPad. A rich text document, which is like the same thing, I think. I don't know. Text document, and finally, a new wave, a new wave sound. And we'll scatter some of these other things around here. Sure. Look at that. I mean, who wouldn't want their desktop organized like this? Anyways, I'll change the things around here a little bit. What background do we want? Sure, we can enable active desktop. We'll stretch it. Sure, that works for me. We'll change the where are we? We'll change the theme around here. I don't know if we'll actually be able to get any of this in Windows XP because of, you know, sure, red there and green here. Beautiful. Very Christmas-like, even though it's August when I'm recording this, but, you know. We'll change, like, friggin'... Can we change, like, text sizes, caption buttons, size? Sure. Make it, like, super big, like we have really bad vision or something. Beautiful. 3D objects, sure. Oh, well. What is this? Okay, we can make this like yellow. No, we'll make this... No. Magenta, sure. Beautiful. I mean, who wouldn't want Windows to look like this? Oh, and it just like moved a bunch of the things over. Let's do this. And you know what, in the new text document, yeah, this is good enough. We'll just name this Windows 2000. If I let go of the Shift key, Windows 2000, and we'll save that. Beautiful. Alright, we're back here. Some time has passed because I had to do some stuff, and while I was gone, the computer locked up for whatever reason. So I had to force power off and power it back on, and for whatever reason the icons sort of reset here a little bit, so I'll just move these around again. But we still have the icons, which is good, so I'll just do this real quick one more time. And there's our thing from before as well. And then we can go ahead and, once I grab the correct disk, put in our very legit Windows XP Service Pack 3 disk here. Put it in the drive. And get the upgrade to Windows XP started here. Should hopefully bring up auto run. If it doesn't, that's not a big deal, but hopefully it will. Whatever, let's just go into... Wait. Got the hourglass up. Ah, there we go. Welcome to Microsoft Windows XP. What do you want to do? I would like to install Windows XP, please. And sorry if the audio is not very good, but I don't have like a special microphone or anything, so I'm just using the cameras own microphones. So anyways, yep, we will do an upgrade. That's kind of the point of this video here. I will accept, and the product key. Alrighty, so we have the product key in. We will just skip downloading updated files and continue installing Windows. And here we go. Setup will complete in approximately 52 minutes. I hope it doesn't actually take that long, although we are installing on real hardware, which is more or less period appropriate. I mean, there is an SSD in the drive, so hopefully that'll help a little bit, but it very well could take a while because it is on hardware. This laptop is from 2006, if the BIOS is to be believed, because whenever the BIOS resets, it goes back to January, I think. It goes back to 2006, that's what matters. So I'm guessing that this laptop is from 2006, but anyways, we will go ahead and speed this up. Wait, no, first we will restart the computer. So we'll just hit escape to restart. Is it actually going to restart, or are we going to have to do that ourselves? Nothing appears to be happening. Alrighty, well I guess I'll just try to restart myself here. Alrighty, back on the BIOS here. Should have a Windows XP, should have like the dual booting options and have Windows 2000 and the Windows XP setup. Of course it's going to ask if I want to boot from the disk, which I do not want to do. Alrighty, so we want the XP Professional setup. Yes, I know it would have went automatically if I didn't do anything, but I'm impatient, damn it. I just want to go. And we are at a black screen. I hope this is... okay, there we go. Get the generic Windows XP boot screen, which doesn't even say XP, and it has the gray progress bar from Server 2003. Ooh yeah, low color mode setup. That's always fun. But anyways, I think for real this time we'll probably speed up. Alrighty, so we're restarting here. It's completed that portion of the setup. So, again, waiting for it to read the disk here. We'll skip this. And there we are in the fully fledged Windows XP boot screen, which actually says XP and has the blue progress bar. I mean, it's not really a progress bar, but you know what I mean. Alright, we got a blue background here. It should get to the part where it's like, oh, it's going to automatically adjust your settings. Or maybe not. Setup will complete in approximately 39 minutes. Well, once again, we will speed up here. Okay, so we got a warning message here. The software you are installing for this hardware, Mobile Intel 945GM Express chipset family, has not passed Windows logo testing to verify its compatibility and blah 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 blah. Yes, I will continue installing the software for this hardware. And yeah, once again we'll keep going here. And here we go again, so we'll just press yes again. Oh, we have a problem. The mouse and the keyboard have turned off. That's a problem. Absolutely nothing there. Well, I kind of need to use the keyboard or the mouse to get past this. Yeah, that's a problem. We'll be right back here. Alright, we are back here, and I was able to figure out that I can use the built-in keyboard and the built-in mouse on the laptop itself to get past this, so we'll hit yes here, and we will continue once again here. Alrighty, so it looks like we're restarting here. We finally got through that whole part of the setup here. And, oh yeah, I guess I can close this up now. This should put it onto the CRT. There we are. So, yeah, anyways, as I was saying, I had to plug in the camera, so I've got a slightly different setup here going now. But hopefully it still looks alright. But yeah. Looks like we're restarting here. Of course, the DVD drive again. You okay there? Let me try taking the disk out of the drive and restarting here. We'll Control Delete work here. Nope. We're gonna have to force off. And back on here. Let's try this again. That's better. Okay, so now this is where it should be like. Windows is going to adjust your resolution and all that. Let me just adjust this real quick here. Oh no. Hopefully the CRT is coming through here alright, but got the glorious title.wma here because we already had the sound because we already had the sound drivers installed on Windows 2000, so, and they've carried over here, which is beautiful. Anyways, we'll click next here. I will not do automatic updates. And finish. And let's see what we get here. Beautiful. Look at that. We still got our desktop background from Windows 2000. Got our icon layout. We can open up our new text document here. And we can add to it. Save that. That. And yes, this keeps moving over because of the setup that I got going here, but that's okay. I don't know why we have this double height taskbar here or whatever, showing the day of the week, which is unusual, but of course we got the Luna theme here, so we don't have our things, but I might be able to get it back. My current theme, which is just my current theme, Windows XP, that's the normal Windows XP, Windows Classic, that's just Windows Classic. So yeah, it might. I can try booting into safe mode. I know MJD's been able to get the theme back in safe mode. We can try that, but yeah, I don't know. But otherwise, you know, we got the icons here. I don't know what is going on with this. Why are these like 4 times bigger, or like double the size, you know, on each side? Now we should be installed on the WinNT folder, yep, because that's what Windows 2000 installed to, the WinNT folder. And Windows XP, of course, upgraded into that. Got our name Taylor, which we specified in Windows 2000. This should be Service Pack 3, and yes it is. And yeah. So yeah, I'm just going to try booting into safe mode here and see what we get. So we'll hit yes. Okay, so everything's just all over here. Looks like we don't have the theme that we set in Windows 2000, even here. So I know MJD's had the theme apply in safe mode before, but looks like that's not going to happen for us here. So, so I'll just boot back into normal Windows here. Alright, well now we're back in here, and now the taskbar is at its normal size. So I don't know what was going on with that. Maybe safe mode modified something there and put it back to normal. I really don't know, but yeah, I mean, this is Windows XP running in the WinNT folder. Not that a normal user would ever know that, but yeah, got the graphics and everything. You know, 32-bit, 1024 by 768. You know, all the drivers from Windows 2000 have more or less carried over. So that's pretty fantastic. But anyways, I think that's going to be it for this video. We installed Windows 2000 and then successfully upgraded it to Windows XP, and had that one little hiccup there where the keyboard and mouse weren't working. The USB keyboard and mouse anyways, but I was able to use the built-in keyboard and mouse on the laptop itself, so we were able to avoid a major catastrophe there. So yeah, maybe I'll just try having just safe mode one more time here, just with the classic mode enabled. Although I'm not expecting any different results, but hey, you never know. Okay, alright, all of a sudden we're booted up in safe mode here. I guess it just didn't do things quite the way it was supposed to, I don't know, but yes, that's fine. And yeah, nothing new here, so that's unfortunate that it got completely wiped out. Didn't even appear in safe mode, like in that one MJD upgrade video, but anyways, yeah, I think I'm gonna pretty much leave it at that. You can look at our computer name here, or not. Where's the, oh yeah, here. Yeah, there it is, Win Upgrade, which again we specified in Windows 2000. But yeah, I think it's pretty much going to be it for this video. This is a bit different from what I normally upload on this channel, but for whoever ends up watching it, I hope you enjoyed it, and this is going to be fun to edit, but yeah, I think we'll just leave it off with a shutdown here. Of course, we're not going to get any sound because we're in safe mode, but yeah. I hope you enjoyed this video, and that's it.